La Gomera Island is a heavenly island of nature and history in the autonomous community of the Canary Islands, Spain. Located in the province of Santa Cruz de Tenerife, this charming island is situated in the west of the Canary Islands. Located west of the island of Tenerife, southeast of the island of La Palma, and northeast of the island of El Hierro, this island will enchant you with its beauty. The administrative center of the island, San Sebastián de la Gomera, is a quiet and peaceful settlement with 8,451 inhabitants. Island governance is provided by the Cabildo de la Gomera Assembly, which focuses on the needs of the islanders and the preservation of its natural beauty. Although La Gomera has a volcanic past, it is an island with no volcanic activity today. It has a round shape with a diameter of about 22 kilometers. The highest point of the island is Pico de Garajone, with a height of 1,487 meters. This mountain looks as if it is split like an orange slice. The swift streams flowing over the mountain look like hollows separating the orange slices. These deep valleys are called barranco on the island. The higher parts of the mountain are constantly covered in fog and clouds and are therefore wet. These areas are covered by a diverse and productive rainforest of laurel trees. These unique natural beauties were inscribed on the World Heritage Nature List by UNESCO in 1986. To attract tourists, La Gomera Island offers easy and challenging hiking trails and mountain biking trails within the nature park. This allows visitors to share the beauty of nature and impressive landscapes. Also, you can find different microclimates on La Gomera Island. This island is also very popular for tourism, with a small airport in the south of the island, from where you can easily reach the international airports of the other Canary Islands, especially Gran Canaria and Tenerife. There are also regular ferries from the center of the island, San Sebastián de la Gomera, to other islands. La Gomera Island is a destination that will mesmerize you not only with its beauty, but also with its history and culture.